Welcome to Mindary. This is the very first page we have when we enter our application. So this is a login page. We will add the account we have. This is the home page we got when we reach to our application. So this will include the track that we got. I have already got 3 track. Some main feature we have and a way to direct to our channel. Next is the profile. In the profile, you can see this is our username, the emotion summary, update preferences, and the lockout button. So now we will try to update the preferences. So I want to call me Qui and a female, 20 years old already. Emotion, work, and relationship. I want to read my writing diary at night every morning, and done.
Following that, I will demonstrate how our journaling function works. So to access the journaling page, we can click the journaling button here down the navbar. And when access the journal page, it will fetch only journals that this user has written. And to view it, we have to enter our password to decrypt the journal content. Because when we save your journal in our database, we will use encrypting address. That your journal will be 100% secure in our database and no one can read it. So you have to enter the password. So I'll enter my account password here and I'll click unlock diary. So our application will decrypt your journal and display for you to view. Okay, so for example, this is the journal that I write on 18 and Sun, and it display all the information about this journal. For example, if you forget to write journal for yesterday because you go late and you don't have time to do that, you can go back to yesterday and start writing your own journal. So for example, I have written my journal here, and this application allows you to attach your image just to save your memory. We also allowed you to record your voice so that we can use AI to analyze it, but this function is not available at this time, so I'll not demonstrate it. I'll click save, and wait a little bit, the system will save your journal, and now you can view it here, the journal content, and also the photo that you have uploaded. The important functions that make our application distinguished from the normal journaling application is our AI analysis functions. So this function will be triggered only when you allow it to do that. So for example, with this journal, I want the AI to make analysis and give me the feedback or the analysis result. I will click here. It will trick the server to analyze it for you, and it will return the results. So first of all, you can see here is the summary about your journal. It will show how it understands you through the journal. And if you're sad, it will say something to cheer you up. And when you're happy, it will be empathy and make you know that you are in a good mood, so that you can feel more comfort and can continue with this experience. Following that, you can see we have the effect to your emotion. So the AI will analyze and know what factors that affecting your emotions to let you know about that and have the solutions to solve that problem. So you can click here to view it in more detail to understand more about yourself, more about your feelings and your emotion here. The AI will show you about the suggestions, what you should do next, what you should get into to fix your problem. If you are sad or angry, or if you're happy, you can improve yourself in the future or maintain that emotion. We also have the recommended meditations based on your journal. So this is 100% personalized experience. So you can click here to listen to our meditation.
Today on Live Awake, our warring self versus our infinite self.
On neutral. So within this meditation suggestions, we have the title, the minutes that you can view, and the reason why you should do this, why it's appropriate for your conditions.
Another key feature of our app is a collection of guided meditation sections, perfect for calming your mind and improving your sleep. So let's take a quick look. So the page offers a diverse selection of meditations, emphasizing that there are over 500 sessions available. These cater to various user needs, such as improving sleep, reducing stress, and promoting deep relaxations. For example, some sections will focus on guided breathing, while others will focus on yoga nidra for your sleep. And the duration vary widely, ranging from minutes to hours, ensuring user can find a section that fits their schedule and preference. And a key feature of the page is that it allows user to listen to and follow the guided meditation directly. When a user selects a sections, such as deep guided meditation sections by Kenneth Source, a player interface will appear. This player includes a progress bar showing the current positions and the total durations of the video, and also there are the buttons that allow you to control the meditation, and when you want to follow, you just need to click the button and then you can hear the guided meditation session and follow. And also the design is minimalistic, keeping the focus on meditation itself with a calming image to enhance the relaxing mood of the user.
Next, I'm going to demonstrate our AI chat services features designed as a supportive companion within our mental wellness applications. This will use Gemini to offer understanding and helpful conversations. So let's begin a new chat. Users can come here to express how they are feeling or discuss what's on their mind. And I will start by sharing the common feelings right now. So the AI gonna respond empathically and invite further sharings. This is its default supportive interactions. The user can also choose different modes. For instance, a more structured therapist mode for guided reflections, or casual homie mode for funny chats. So now let's give it some more context and see how it's follow-ups. Our service gonna remember the last few messages to keep the conversation flowing naturally. Notice how it connects my current stressors to my earlier statements about feeling overwhelmed. This shows its ability to hold context and ask relevant follow-up questions, making it represent us as two-side conversations and become more meaningful. So our platform also features a diary. While the AI doesn't directly read the diaries for privacy, user can bring insights from their entries into the chats. For example, if my diary mentioned poor sleeps, the AI can offer suggestions based on the user shares. And all these chats are safe. We are easily give this conversation a title like managing presentation stress and assess it later. The user also have full control if they want to remove a conversations. It is straightforward. This will ensure privacy and control over the interaction history. That's going to be a very quick look at how AI chat services functions as a supportive tool for mental wellness, offering contextual conversation and user-managed interactions.
So next is the emotional summary. You can see we have a chart, the bar chart for your emotion drain. If you input the journaling and analyze by our Sepm API, it will show the emotion level on the chart here. You can use adjust and enter the journal for today and the last 2 days. So we just have 2 data for this. And this is the mood count in the ratio chart. You can see in the last week, the user input for diary, and there is 1 for okay emotion, 2 for not good emotion, and 1 for bad emotion. We also have the data for the whole month and the whole year. Back to the roll guide pane, and we will click the log out button. And yeah, we successfully logged out.